In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make stickers on Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you will have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as we said at the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to make stickers. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply click at our account at the top right corner, then click at sell your art. Here, if you want to make some stickers, click on this add designs on this create products section, or you can click and add a new work. Both works. Choose whatever you want. And here you can copy an existing work if you want, or upload a new work. You can make it as a sticker as we see. So here that will open the files of your PC. Get the work or the design that you would like to make a sticker for. So let's say, an example, this one. For me, let's just wait until it's uploaded here. And let's say, an example, I want to make this as a sticker. Simply, here I'll have the products review. So just go to, as you can see, stickers and magnets, and make sure it's enabled. You can even edit this if you want, and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.